Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's make lemon rice using carrot and beans. For this recipe we need cooked rice 4 cups, 1/4 cup finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup finely chopped beans, lemon juice 3 tablespoons, 3 green chilies, curry leaves 10 to 15, and half teaspoons cumin powder, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, urad dal 1 teaspoon, channa dal 1.5 teaspoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. This is about less than quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder, a pinch of asafoetida, 5 teaspoons oil and salt. Heat the pan, add oil, mustard seeds, add channa dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 3 green chilies, chopped carrot and beans, and some salt. Fry this for 2 minutes. Curry leaves, pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Fry this in low flame till the carrot and beans are soft. The carrot and beans are cooked. Let's add cumin powder now, fenugreek powder, add the rice, coriander leaves, lemon juice. Carrot and beans lemon rice is ready. Try this recipe and post your comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.